Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to show weather on lock screen in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To show weather on lock screen on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Personalization. Now scroll down, click on lock screen. On lock screen status, click on the drop down menu here and select weather. Now weather will show in lock screen on my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.